What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your chain, how to do it correctly, how to do it thoroughly, and get it nice and shiny. I found out a couple of tricks to do it, and I want to share this with you. So if you like the video, make sure you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it. First of all, we're going to need a couple of things to get started. We are starting with the chain cleaner, of course. Just use any brand. We are, of course, then needing the chain lube. You can use any brand you prefer. And next up, we are going to need a water pump bottle that does spray mist, some paper towels, even more paper towels. And the most important thing that you need when cleaning your chain is a chain cleaning brush. You can get this pretty much anywhere for very cheap. Depending on your local laws, you might not be allowed to dump the waste into the groundwater, so make sure you have some containers in place so you can clean your chain wherever you need to and then dispose of the gunk somewhere else. I'm a big fan of using a piece of Amazon cardboard, like a delivery box or whatever. Just place it behind the chain so it catches all the spray liquid. It's not that important because you're usually cleaning your bike after doing the chain anyway. But yeah, it helps you just, catch all the spray liquid and the water you're going to see in the video. Alright, so we're starting with the chain cleaner. Just make sure to shake it thoroughly and then apply it to the entire chain. The most important part of the chain is the inside of it, not the outside. It's not that required to clean the outside. It obviously needs to look nice. Do it for a couple of revolutions as long as you want to. You also don't need to save any of it. Just apply as much as you can because we're doing this a couple of times. And then after you have done that for the first time, you're going to get your spray water bottle, you pump it up, and then you're going to set the nozzle to mist, and you're just going to rinse all of that off immediately. Do that for a couple of revolutions as well, and then step 1 is complete. Next up, we're going to use a chain brush. Make sure you really scrub everything off. Use a bit of force, not too much, not too little, and really, get going to scrub all the excess fat and dirt and everything off. You do that a couple of times from every angle because obviously the brush can only, brush 3 sides at once. Spin it around here and there and make sure you get everything. Same as before, use the spray bottle again, get all the gunk off, do it a couple of revolutions until it's really nice and shiny. Make sure you get everything. And then the next step will be, once again, using the chain cleaner. Now make sure to specifically only spray the inside of the chain to get that really, really nice and clean. Use a lot of it. This is super important because the inside of the chain has the most wear and tear. Honestly, it's so satisfying just seeing the chain cleaner come on and then you spray it off with the water bottle again and just gradually seeing your chain become cleaner and cleaner. Also make sure once in a while clean your brush too because you're brushing gunk off. That gunk will be on the brush. You don't want to put that gunk back on the chain with the brush, right? So make sure you do that. Now we're just going to speed this part up. Once again, use the chain brush, get everything off. Do it a couple of times, clean the chain brush, same as before, use the mist bottle, spray the chain clean, and you can see how much dirt is coming off. Like, what the hell? Right, next up is pretty much my least favorite part of this entire thing. I don't know why I'm such a cripple with paper towels. I don't know, I can't handle them. Get yourself some paper towels, fold them, and just wrap them around the chain and spin the wheel to make sure you clean everything off, you dry it at the same time, and make sure you also push the paper towel in between the links so it gets every last bit of dirt. So we're done with that part of the chain. We can move to the back part. One thing that a lot of people always neglect about your bike, about their bike, is the sprocket. Get some chain cleaner on a bit of paper towel and clean the sprocket. You don't need to do it incredibly thoroughly, but it helps if you're doing it occasionally. You also don't need to do it every time you're cleaning the chain. You can also clean the bits between the sprocket teeth if you want to do that. I do that occasionally. It really helps, just, you know, giving you a bit more time out of your chain. Okay, we're closing into the end, and you are pretty much just going to repeat what you learned at the beginning of the video with the back outside part of the chain. This is the easiest one because you have such a little area to work with, right? And it's really easy to get to everything. So use your chain cleaner, use your water bottle, use everything you learned, use your paper towels, get all of that clean, and then you are pretty much done. Here's a before and after comparison. So this was before we started. I know I am incredibly thorough with cleaning my chain. You don't need to do it as thoroughly as I am, but look at the after result. It looks really good. It's clean. Now it's time to lube it up, but that is going to be another topic for another video where I show you how to take care of your bike. So if you liked the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think, comment if you have any other tricks on how to take care of your chain, and I'll see you guys in the next video.